Good morning, Bob. What have you got going today?
Holy crap, Michelle. Why are you asking me this again today? You asked me the same thing yesterday, the day before yesterday, and the day before that. I always tell you the same thing. I'm going to call 100 people, make 25 contacts, open 3 DDA, and 2 savings. Of course, that is all a bunch of bull crap, and you know it.
Bob, you should be happy you have a job. Don't forget that you are very lucky to not be out of work. Most banks are not hiring right now, so no matter how you feel, consider yourself my little corporate whore.
Michelle, why do you play this game with me every frigging day? It's total BS, and you keep doing it. I know you hate this garbage too. So please don't expect me to put on some corporate Kool-Aid act when we all know that this sucks royally. The only thing that matters to the RM is new units. That's it. We are all sheeple who mean nothing but numbers. And the economy is getting better. Jobs will begin returning. When they do, expect a ton of good people to leave this rat hole and go to community banks and credit unions where they are treated with respect and as human beings.
Bob, you know that we have goals to meet. It doesn't matter if they are unrealistic. You are expected to pull accounts out of your butt.
Michelle, you frigging idiot, we have zero marketing support, no commercials, no newspaper ads, and the worst rates in the whole freaking region. Not to mention, our loan rates are all over 15%, even for a frigging CD secured loan for $100. Nobody has good credit these days, and most people are upside down on their mortgages. But you somehow expect me to sell $1 million in loans this quarter? What brand of crack are you smoking? Because I really want some.
Bob, I don't like your negativity. You should think positive and do the behaviors, and then your numbers will come in. It's all in the behaviors, Bob. Are you profiling everyone you come into contact with? Are you loading their info onto the system?
Michelle, I have to do the same frigging thing 4 different times. Once on paper, then load the data into the computer, then email it to the RM, then print you out a copy. It takes 20 minutes of my day just to write the same frigging data so that every one of my superiors is happy. Plus, you want me to ask all these stupid, robotic douchebag questions and get into my client's business. What next? Do you want me to collect urine samples next?
Profiling customers is how we uncover other needs. You should understand the value in that.
Okay, so I discover that one of my clients has 2 CDs at another bank, earning 5 basis points higher than our crappy rates. What do you suggest in that situation?
Bob, you should explain to the client that we have better service and are stronger, more secure bank. We do not compete with the smaller community banks and credit unions on rates. We have a no-compete policy. Explain to the client that, because we are bigger, that we are better and that you a nicer banker than the one down the road.
Michelle, the client doesn't give 2 craps if we don't compete with the smaller banks and coups. All he sees is rates. And we are not stronger than the other banks on the block. We actually have a lower rating than they do. So why do you want me to lie to clients just to get them stuck in some crappy CDA with a lousy rate?
Bob, you must do whatever it takes to get the business. We have goals to meet or exceed. You must meet corporate expectations or else find something else to do.
Michelle, in that case, I quit. You can stick our 1% rates and 15% loans up here, but and sell this garbage without me. Have a nice life.